Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 9 best Aliexpress dashcam. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the dashcam are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the Deelife 4K dashcam, the ultimate companion for every driver. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the Deelife 4K dashcam is revolutionizing the way we capture our journeys on the road. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities, the Deelife dashcam ensures that every detail of your drive is captured in stunning clarity. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes or license plate numbers, you won't miss a thing. Stay connected on the go with the Deelife 4K dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you can easily access and manage your recordings anytime, anywhere. Drive with peace of mind knowing that the Deelife 4K dashcam acts as your reliable black box. It automatically detects and saves video clips during critical moments, such as accidents or sudden braking, ensuring that you have undeniable evidence when you need it most. Capture the entire scene with the Deelife 4K dashcam's wide-angle lens. Its expansive field of view ensures that you can monitor not just what's happening in front of your car, but also the surroundings, providing comprehensive coverage for your safety. Installing the Deelife 4K dashcam is a breeze. With its compact and user-friendly design, it seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, becoming an essential part of your driving experience. Upgrade your driving adventures with the Deelife 4K dashcam. Capture every moment, ensure your safety, and have peace of mind on the road. Introducing the Asawin S35DW Wi-Fi dash camera, the perfect companion for your car journeys. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Asawin S35DW is designed to provide you with a safe and convenient driving experience. Equipped with Full HD 1080 pixels resolution, the Asawin S35DW captures every detail of your drive, ensuring crystal clear video recordings. And with its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access and download recorded videos to your smartphone for effortless playback and sharing. The Asawin S35DW comes with an intuitive smartphone app that allows you to effortlessly control the camera settings, view real-time footage, and manage recordings. Whether you want to adjust the recording resolution or enable parking mode, all it takes is a few taps on your smartphone. With its advanced night vision technology, the Asawin S35DW ensures exceptional visibility even in low-light conditions. You can rely on its superior night vision capabilities to capture important details, such as license plates or road signs, even during nighttime drives. The Asawin S35DW features an auto-driving recorder that starts recording as soon as you start your car. This ensures that every crucial moment on the road is captured, providing you with valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Designed with aesthetics in mind, the Asawin S35DW boasts a sleek and compact design that blends seamlessly with any vehicle's interior. The Asawin S35DW Wi-Fi dash camera is the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Upgrade your driving experience today with Asawin. Visit our website or contact us for more information. Asawin S35DW Wi-Fi dash camera. Drive with confidence, knowing you have a trusted companion by your side. Introducing the 70mm Dashcam A810, your ultimate driving companion. In a world where safety and security are paramount, meet the 70mm Dashcam A810, the ultimate driving companion designed to capture every moment on the road. With its Ultra HD 4K resolution, the 70mm Dashcam A810 ensures crystal clear footage, allowing you to relive your driving adventures in stunning detail. Equipped with a built-in GPS, this dashcam accurately records your location and speed, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident or dispute. The ADAS technology of the 70mm Dashcam A810 acts as your personal co-pilot, providing lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts to keep you safe on the road. Worried about someone tampering with your parked car? The 70mm Dashcam A810 has got you covered. Its advanced AI motion detection instantly captures any movement around your vehicle, giving you peace of mind. Never miss a moment with a 150 degrees field of view of the 70mm Dashcam A810. Capture everything happening in front of your car, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your entire journey. Parking has never been easier. The 70mm Dashcam A810 supports rear parking, providing guidance and assistance to help you navigate tight spots with confidence. Upgrade your driving experience with the 70mm Dashcam A810, the perfect blend of advanced features, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced safety. Get yours today and drive with confidence. Introducing the LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam, your ultimate companion for a safe and secure driving experience. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the LF9 Pro is designed to capture every moment on the road, ensuring your peace of mind. The LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam comes equipped with an advanced Dashcam Smart Car DVR camera. Its compact size ensures it won't obstruct your view while driving. Plus, installing it is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Stay connected at all times with the LF9 Pro's Wi-Fi app connectivity. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you can easily access your Dashcam's footage, adjust settings, and even share videos with friends and family. The LF9 Pro records stunning 1080p videos, ensuring that every detail is captured in vivid clarity. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape or critical evidence during an incident, you can trust the LF9 Pro to deliver exceptional video quality. The LF9 Pro features advanced night vision technology, allowing it to capture clear and detailed footage even in low light conditions. Never miss a moment, no matter the time of day. Your safety is our top priority. The LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam is equipped with a built-in G sensor, which detects sudden movements or impacts. In the event of an accident, the Dashcam automatically locks and saves the footage, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or legal purposes. The LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam, the perfect companion for your journeys, ensuring your safety and capturing memorable moments along the way. With its easy installation, smart features, and superior video quality, you can drive with confidence knowing that the LF9 Pro has your back. LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam, drive smart, drive safe. Introducing the Dash Camera for Porsche, the ultimate accessory to enhance your driving experience. Designed specifically for Porsche Cayenne, Panamera, Macan, Taycan, Cayman, 911 Turbo, and 718 Boxster models, the Dash Camera is the perfect addition to your luxury vehicle. With its seamless integration, the Dash Camera becomes an integral part of your Porsche's interior, blending effortlessly with the elegant design aesthetics. Capture every moment on the road with stunning clarity. The high-definition camera lens ensures crystal-clear video recordings, allowing you to relive your adventures or provide evidence in case of unforeseen incidents. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the Dash Camera offers a range of features to enhance your safety and convenience. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your speed and location, providing valuable data for your journeys. Its G sensor detects sudden movements or collisions, automatically saving and locking the footage to ensure crucial evidence is preserved. Never miss a detail with the Dash Camera's wide-angle lens. It captures a broader view of the road, minimizing blind spots and giving you a comprehensive perspective of your surroundings. Operating the Dash Camera is effortless. The intuitive user interface and touchscreen display make navigating through settings and reviewing footage a breeze, even while on the move. The Dash Camera comes complete with a range of accessories to enhance your experience. The adjustable mount ensures a perfect fit for your Porsche's windshield, while the power cable seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's power source. Drive confidently, day or night. The Dash Camera's advanced low-light capabilities ensure clear recordings even in dark or poorly lit environments. Elevate your Porsche driving experience with the Dash Camera. Never miss a moment on the road and enjoy peace of mind knowing that you have a reliable witness by your side. Introducing the AZDOME M550 3-channel Dashcam, the ultimate companion for capturing every moment on the road. With its advanced features and high-quality recording capabilities, the AZDOME M550 is designed to provide you with peace of mind and enhance your driving experience. This 3-channel Dashcam system offers front, inside, and rear camera coverage, ensuring that you capture every angle of your journey. Equipped with a 4K plus 1080p dual-channel configuration, the AZDOME M550 delivers stunningly detailed footage, allowing you to relive your adventures in vivid clarity. The built-in GPS module provides accurate location information, so you can keep track of your routes and easily access important data when needed. Stay connected at all times with the AZDOME M550's Wi-Fi capability. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you'll have instant access to your recordings and settings. Even in the darkest of nights, the AZDOME M550 ensures optimal visibility with its infrared night vision technology. Drive with confidence, knowing that you're always protected. Whether you're on a long road trip or simply navigating through city streets, the AZDOME M550 is there to capture all the important moments. Its various recording modes, including parking mode, guarantee that nothing goes unnoticed. The AZDOME M553 channel dashcam offers the perfect combination of performance, convenience, and reliability. Safeguard yourself and your loved ones on the road with the ultimate dashcam experience. AZDOME, redefining safety for the modern driver. Introducing the all-new Dashcam 4K GPS, the ultimate companion for your journey. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this dashcam ensures your safety and provides peace of mind on the road. Let's take a closer look at the incredible features of the Dashcam 4K GPS. First up, the 24-hour parking monitor. With this feature, your Dashcam 4K GPS will keep a watchful eye on your car even when it's parked. Next, the loop video recording. Never worry about running out of storage space as the Dashcam 4K GPS automatically records over older footage, ensuring continuous and uninterrupted recording. Equipped with a powerful f16 Sony 415 sensor, this dashcam captures every detail with remarkable clarity, even in low-light conditions. The Dashcam 4K GPS features a dual camera system, allowing you to record both the front and rear views of your car simultaneously. Experience true visual excellence with UHD 4K resolution. The Dashcam 4K GPS ensures crystal clear and lifelike footage of your journeys. Take full control without taking your hands off the wheel with our innovative gesture control feature. Simply wave your hand to start or stop recording. Connect your smartphone to the Dashcam 4K GPS using Wi-Fi and effortlessly review and share your captured footage with friends and family. The Dashcam 4K GPS boasts an impressive resolution of 1920p multiplied by 1080p, providing sharp and detailed images for accurate analysis and evidence. With the Dashcam 4K GPS, you can drive with confidence, knowing that every moment on the road is being recorded in stunning detail. Get the Dashcam 4K GPS today and make your journey safer and more memorable. Dashcam 4K GPS, capturing every moment, protecting every drive. Introducing the AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam, your ultimate automotive companion. With its built-in Dashcam functionality, the AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam ensures that you capture every moment on the road. Whether it's for safety or for documenting your adventures, this device has you covered. But that's not all. The AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems AZDOME technology. With these intelligent features, you'll feel more confident and secure behind the wheel. Say goodbye to tangled wires and bulky connectors. The AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam seamlessly integrates with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Stay connected and enjoy your favorite apps, music, and navigation right from your car's dashboard. Experience blazing fast connectivity with the 5G Wi-Fi capability of the AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam. And with built-in GPS navigation, you'll never get lost again. Safety is our top priority. That's why the AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam comes with a rear-view camera. Park with confidence and avoid those pesky blind spots. Need to capture memorable moments during your road trips? The AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam doubles as a dashboard video recorder. Never miss a beautiful sunset or an unexpected encounter again. The AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam A Dashcam, AZDOME system, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS navigation, and a dashboard video recorder all in one sleek package. Upgrade your driving experience today with the AZDOME Wireless Carplay Cam. Introducing the Dashcam front and rear, the ultimate companion for your journeys on the road. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this state-of-the-art dashcam is designed to capture every moment, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Equipped with both a front and rear camera, our dashcam records everything happening in and around your vehicle, providing you with a comprehensive view of the road ahead and behind. The Dashcam front camera captures stunning Full HD 1080p videos, delivering crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions. Thanks to its exceptional night vision capability, you'll never miss any important details, whether it's day or night. The rear camera ensures that your back is covered as well, capturing any incidents or unexpected events happening behind your vehicle. Say goodbye to blind spots and parking mishaps with the assistance of our rear camera. And with the split-screen display, you can view both camera feeds simultaneously, providing you with complete context and a sense of security while on the road. Accidents can happen in an instant, but with the Dashcam front and rear, you'll have solid evidence to protect yourself in case of disputes or insurance claims. But that's not all. Our Dashcam front and rear is packed with additional features, including loop recording, G-sensor technology, and a built-in microphone for capturing detailed audio. Installing our Dashcam is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design and easy-to-follow instructions. So why wait? Upgrade your driving experience today with the Dashcam Front and Rear. Dashcam Front and Rear, your reliable witness on the road. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.